In this video, let me show you how to use the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. Now you'll be able to get your cash backs or cash rewards for a specific category. So you need to select a specific category from all of the categories that are available. So within the Bank of America platform or the application, you simply need to head over to the My Rewards section that should be visible within the dashboard. If it is not, you can simply head over to the menu on the top left and head over to rewards and benefits. Now, as I said, you'll need to select one category, which could be gas and EV, online shopping, or a bunch of other options that you should be able to see. So you only have the option of selecting one category per calendar month. So you can receive a 3% cash back. So you need to select the category that you spend the most on so that you can increase your cash back as well. Once the cashback is accumulated over a month, you'd be able to redeem it directly to your deposit account as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.